guys, so today we're going to do a room and condo tour, and we've been here for a little while, almost a week and a half.
I think just over a week, yeah, week and a half.
Yeah, so we've been here for about a week and a half, and we thought that we should show you around the condo and in the room. I think it's like a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. It's got like living, dining space and a kitchen.
Really nice.
It's really big as well. I thought that it would be like quite small, like maybe 2-bedroom, but it has a lot of bedrooms.
Yeah, it's a lot different to the places we stayed in Vietnam.
Yeah, definitely a lot different. I think because they're stacked, like, I think, how many stories is this? A lot of stories. We'll see where we go downstairs to show you like the pool and stuff like that. But it is really, really cool in here.
I'm going to show you around.
So this is what our room looks like when you walk in. It's got a really beautiful mirror on the side. This is our bed, just here. It looks like a bigger than a double bed. I don't know. Maybe it's a double bed. I can't remember. It's got like shelving and like storage and stuff. So if you were to stay here, they do short term and long term. If you were to stay here, you can put all your stuff in there. There's also a heap of storage in there. I've got my bag and clothes in there. It also has a desk. This is where Ben plays his games. Just here and does some work. Has a view just out to here. Try to look for a room with a window, because if you're in here editing and stuff all day, it gets a bit stuffy, stuff like that. Or it's just nice to have a window to look out to. This is the bathroom. So we've got the sink and stuff like that. You've got the toilet and the shower. There we go, that's better. You've got... They actually give you like shampoo and conditioner and stuff like that, which is awesome. And then yeah, just the hot water system is there. What else can I say? Oh, that's about it. Oh yeah, I'll show you a quick look through like the house, because this is a shared area. They've got the kitchen here. In here, sorry, the light's off. And you can actually, you know what's awesome? You can actually do your own washing over here. I've got some clothes hanging up over there.
Drink tap water too? Yeah,
you can drink the tap water. They've got a sitting area. This is where I do some work sometimes. They've got a really nice couch. This is where we play games, just here, which is awesome. They have this right there. And then they have like a little kids play area, because they do have 2 kids, which is awesome. Yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, they have pets. They have a little fighter fish. And they have some turtles. There we go. Hey, little turtle. And that's the second one. He's a bit sick at the moment. He's just in quarantine. Yeah, I showed them Go. Go! Hello, Go. Come on. And we go down to ground. Let's go. I brought the brolly in case it rains, and also in case it's sunny. So this is the condo here. It's very beautiful. This is just here is a restaurant that you can eat at.
It's like a little like a corner store.
Yeah, like a little corner store, but it also has like food that you can eat. Yeah, very delicious. There's like playground, and then the pool. We'll come back when there's not very many people there to show the pool. What's that?
Because nice weather today.
Yeah, this is the pool here. I'll show you a bit of a view. We'll probably go into the gym later. The gym is just through there, the back. This is the badminton just here. It's so beautiful. They have like these really cool palm trees as well. They're very, very nice. So this just here is the barbecue area. It smells amazing here. It's not because someone's barbecuing, it's just because they're cooking food. Like it's their daily food.
Oh,
it smells delicious. This is their little barbecue area. Yeah, it's very nice here. Then they have like the garden is like so well kept as well. It's very beautiful.
It's really nice, yeah.
And that's the gym there. I'm too scared to go in because I don't want them to tell us off. Upstairs is the gym.
Oh, there's tables and everything.
That's pretty cool.
And hoops. Outside the
B-ball outside the school. I was up to no good and I started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared. So I moved to my auntie and uncle's in Bel Air. And then through here. So through here, after those little, like after the road ends just up there, there's like the guard tower and a guard post where like all the guards stand, and so that nobody can come in if they're not allowed to, I guess.
Yeah. You need a card to make the gate open.
Yeah, that's right. And if you're just walking,
you need to be in the guest book or have a room.
When we first arrived here, we had to
sign in.
Then we had to get our passport. They took our passport number down, stuff like that, so they know who we are.
Yeah.
So we'll stop filming here. We'll probably go and get some food up the road. Yeah. Let's go walking to our curry place. I love the food here. Malaysian food is the best because it's like fusion of like Indian, Malay, Chinese. We got some delicious food. Yummy. It's like a self-serve, all you can eat. We got some Teh tarik. So good? Yum.
Like milk tea.
Hey guys, so we just finished our food.
So
it was
good.
Incredible. I loved it. I was so full. So we got like a plate of rice, and then sorry Bob, I can't get you.
No, it's okay.
We got a plate of rice, and then we got to put like our own curry and stuff on it. I always, whenever it's something like that, I always estimate my amount of like eating, and
that's good for me.
Yeah.
I get more food.
So Ben got to finish my plate off, but it was really, really tasty, very delicious. We also, what else do we get? Like this soup or something? It was like a little container of soup. It was very tasty. Oh my gosh, everyone's so lovely. I'm filming and stuff, and I'm a little bit self-conscious sometimes, or like a little bit scared and shy to film. But here, everyone like looks at you and smiles, and it's just so cute. I love it. It was cool. Yeah, anyway, so we ate from that Indian place. I think it's Indian Malay or just Indian or just Malay. I can't really remember.
I don't know. It's yummy though.
It's very yummy. Very delicious. So now we decided to go to Tesco, have a walk around, because after food you get really full and I feel like the best thing to do is walk around. So that's what we're gonna do now. We made it to Tesco! Yay! How cute is this? We're just in Tesco, and oh my god, I found the cutest workout wear ever. This is a new workout wear. I would buy this.
To work out with.
Unstoppable. It's got like a little mark on there, but I would definitely wear this. One says boxing. Oh my gosh.
What's the highlighting feature of them all?
What's that?
What's the highlighting feature of them all?
They're pink. They're actually pink. That's so cute. I love pink. I love pink. And then this one. How cute is that? It's so cute. It's got like that marble effect on it. I love Tesco. My favourite. I want to do like a video about Tesco.
They won't let you though. Yeah. We're not actually meant to be filming here. Yeah. We could get put in prison right now.
Oh no, yeah. Maybe we should stop filming.
Okay.
Hey guys, so we're walking back from Tesco. We got all our goods.
Goodies.
Yeah. And we got a drink as well. Ben was a bit parched. He goes, I'm a bit thirsty. I was like, do you want to get a drink here? And he's like, yeah. I'm like, me too. So we got a green tea honey lemon drink.
Delicious.
Yeah, delicious. I got a small, he got a big. He's already finished his.
Yeah.
I've been talking too much, not drinking.
We go across.
We'll show you what we got from Tesco. Yeah, when we get home. So these are the things we got. We got like some noodles that Ben loves. They're Korean. Very hot. We got a chocolate snack. These ones are for me. These are my favorite things ever. They're just like seaweed, but they're like tom yum flavor. It's so tasty. And they're kind of healthy. We got some bread, just some wholemeal bread. And some Oreos to make an Oreo cheesecake. And then I also got 2 shirts. This is the first top here, that if you can see. So cute. Yeah, so it says food, friends, sunshine. It's like one of those longer shirts. And it's, yeah, it's supposed to be like baggy. It's super cute. I love it. And then I got this shirt. It's really, really cute as well. It's got like pink and grey on the sleeves. So both of these were $4 each. So $8 Australian. So I think that's everything. I'll probably sign the video off here. Ben's playing with Hermes, our host's son. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Remember to love, live, explore. And I think that's about it. Thanks for watching. So Ben likes to have his hair tied up.
I just like it out of my face.
But it's too long to be tied up. Too short to be tied up. So I'm trying different hairstyles and he keeps saying no. I don't know why though. I think they're beautiful.
You tried to braid my hair.
Yeah. This is his hair now. Ta-da! I think it looks pretty cute.